So let us assume the governor has a bag. Let me give him this one. Yes. So he wants to store his product. So he comes. So it is heavy. Assume it is heavy. He cannot carry it around, running his errand in town. Now, our target market is now these local traders and travelers when hawana magari. So he comes and then welcome, Your Excellency. I take you through the journey on their behalf. So the first step is you press deposit, and then we enter the phone number of the user. Phone number of the user? Yes, phone number of the user.
Let us clap for him.
There's a message that has been sent to his phone. That is his secret password. You have it? Yes. So this is the message. IT Notch Smart Safe. There's a password is here. It is secret, of course. We cannot share. Generated at tarehe 5 mwezi wa tarehe 12 mwezi wa 5 11:05. That is the time his password has been generated. So he now goes around running errands, and then later when he now needs his luggage, he comes to withdraw. So for 30 seconds, this is how he's going to withdraw. Request for password.
Tupigie makofi mazuri.
So tumeweka wrong password ikakataa. So we are now trying to put the one that is legit in his phone, which is 916. So this is your bill, sir. Your luggage has stayed for 2 minutes when seconds that are counting. For you to have your luggage, you have to pay 5 shillings. So you have two options. You will either insert the coins here or pay through the M-Pesa. Yes. So you go, I give you the payment details. And then this lock, it cannot be hand opened. We have automated the car lock. So it can only open by this software. No matter how much you try to open, because we want to guarantee you the security of your product. Yes. So 07, same man. 02.
Let us appreciate that man.
Yeah, it's so before you pay, it is indicating us that zero amount is paid. So as soon as the message reflects in our software, it will reflect in this place. Now it is zero. When your message comes here, yeah, thank you so much, sir. This is the amount you have paid. Yes. So now you open with 5. You cannot open with a hand unless you open through this software. So it's telling you kindly pick your luggage, and it is open for you.
Let us appreciate it. Thank you. We celebrate innovation in our church. Tumpigie makofi mazuri. Thank you very much. God bless you.